What's going on, YouTube Nation? I'm going to give a review on Uncle Ben's long grain and wild rice. For if you want to live frugal and if you're in your cutting phase, this is one of my favorite things to buy. Definitely if you're trying to save money, if you're trying to buy a house, if you're trying to buy some stocks, if you're trying to save some money for college tuition or an event or a vacation, this is the stuff to go to. This is one of my favorites. Here's a serving size. A fourth of a cup is 200 calories. The serving size, if you read that serves about 3 people. So in your cutting phase, make sure you read the label. This has been very effective for me losing weight as well as saving money. I know that I'm big with dividend stocks. This is by Mars Food. This is all over the shelves at most of your stores. This is something that's very convenient for you, not only from a health standpoint, but from a economical standpoint. This is very good for a lot of you guys that are millennials that are trying to save up on things. Cars, if you're trying to, just anything. Just saving money, spending money. It's so much cheaper to buy this in the store and make it. This complements, like, if you grill salmon, if you grill steak. I eat this all the time at work. I actually save over $50 compared to most people during the week when they buy things. I buy chicken and then I buy rice and I heat this up in a pot. This is, sometimes you can add butter or olive oil. I prefer olive oil, or sometimes even by itself. This is health-wise, this is very good. So just keep an eye out on the contents. Watch out for the sodium if you have some issues with sodium. This is also, it's one of my favorite things. I will show you guys a video. I know my video channel is mostly on dividend investing, but this is a frugal living tip for a lot of you millennials out there, or for anyone, to save some money and throw it in the stock market. That way you can have a nice budget, or actually have some extra money from your budget. So once you start getting older, you start having budgets. And this is here's just some information. I'm telling you, chicken, rice, you can buy steamed asparagus or broccoli. Excellent for cutting when you're trying to slim down for the summer. This is one of my favorite things to do. Gosh, I can eat this like every day and never get sick of it. So this is something you guys might want to check out. Save some money, throw it in your M1 Finance account, and again, I got this right around $2 at my local store, and it's just something that you can look at in general. So this is a quick video, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you comment and subscribe. To a lot of you guys out there trying to save up some money, or maybe throw an extra $100 this month in the stock market, hey, this might help you in the long run with saving money and budgeting. All right, have a good one. Thanks.